Hello viewers, in this video I am going to share a neat trick in which you can turn on your OnePlus One if it has a broken power button. So in this case the power button is almost pressed in and I need to use my fingernails to try and manage to turn it on. So it is very difficult. So for this trick to work you need a charged power bank, your micro USB cable or your power adapter and your PC or laptop. So now connect your micro USB cable to your power bank. Take the OnePlus One, hold down the volume down button, insert the USB cable. The phone will vibrate. You can remove the finger from the volume button. The phone boots into recovery mode. So you can keep the USB cable if the phone has no charge. If it has enough charge, you can remove the USB cable too. So in this mode there will be a reboot option. In regular cases the phone will reboot to stock recovery. In that case also there will be a reboot option. So here the reboot option is the last one. Choose reboot, select system. So you can see I have managed to turn on the phone without the help of the power button. So the phone is booting to the system. So once the phone is turned on, I suggest you not to use your fingernails or any other tools to press on your power button for rebooting. Instead I will suggest some other tips. So the phone has booted in. So for non-routed devices, we can use developer options and ADB toolkit to reboot the phone. For routed phones, we can download apps like Terminal Emulator and run commands like su reboot to reboot your phone or power off the phone. You can also download quick apps like Quick Reboot, in which there are options like reboot, fast reboot, recovery, safe mode, fast boot mode, power off, system lock, system UAE. So that was about turning on the OnePlus One if it has a broken power button. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.